my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Yesterday class we have discussed exercise 1.1. Total 10 problems they are given. Find the values of the letters means A, B, C letters you have solved. And next you have to see the page number 8. Here they are given tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Already division, how you are doing division. I will just recall. I will take the example 108. Here divide by 9. How you are dividing? 108, 9, 9 ones are 9. Here will get minus 1. We'll take here 8, 9 nines are, sorry 9 twos are 18. Here you will get remainder will be 0. And quotient will be 1. You know already divisibility, but here they sum here differently. They are given divisibility by 10. This is certainly the earliest test of all. We first look at some multiples of 10. You know already multiples of 5, multiples of 2. Here they are given some examples of multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 means multiples 10, 20, 30, you know 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, so on. These are multiples of 10. Here they are given. You know every numbers, if multiple of 2 means just write the tables. And multiples of 5 means 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. These are multiples. Okay. Next, in this page number 8, you have to see divisibility by 10. Just they are given how to divide. Okay. Next, same as it is divisibility by 5. Here just you have to take the multiples and this some add and like that. In that I will explain in exercise part. Next, divisibility by 2. Here also multiples they are taken, and in that natural number and odd number, and in that they are considered in divisibility by 2. In that 2, how many odd numbers will be is there and how many natural numbers is there, they are considered. Next, divisibility by 9 and 3 is very important. How? Here one example. Here I have considered 108 divided by 9. If I know the rule means 108 means just you have to add 1 plus 0 plus 8. It will be a 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 8 will be 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Yes or no? Okay, like that. Here some rules they are given. Okay, next example 4. See the example 4, page number 10. Check the divisibility of 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 9 by 9. Here just now I said divide directly doing this by using method doing this. Means here they are given example 4 I will solve. Here 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. Okay, just you have add these numbers 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Total how much you will get? Total should be 36. Just add these all numbers. Total should be 36. And is 36 divisible by 9 or not? Yes or no? 9 fours are 36. Yes or no? Divide. If you divide doing also you will get the same answer. Here exact how much they are given in example 4. Here clearly they gave. And also same of example 5. Check the divisibility of 152875 means 1,52,875 by 9. Here also same, you have to divisible or not, you have to check. Next, try this page number 11. Try this. Just take the homework. Just take the homework. Check the divisibility of the following numbers by 9. It's divisible or not, you have to check. 108. Now only I said the example. Okay, leave it. Second problem you can take 616. Add this 6 plus 1 plus 6. 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 is divisible by 9. No, it's not divisible by 9. Like that, third, fourth, fifth take a homework. And next example 6. If the three-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? Here they are saying is a three-digit number is 24 into x, means example this one 6th. Here they are given for three-digit number, but here one digit you have to check. Means here two digit they are given. Find x value. What is the value of x? It is divisible by 9. I said add this, means 2 plus 4 plus x. It will be 6 plus x. Yes or no? Here they gave clearly should be divisible by 9. That is 6 plus x should be divisible by 9. How? This is possible when 6 plus x is equal to 9 or 18. 6 plus x is equal to 9 or 18. Okay. Means but 6x is x is the digit, therefore 6 plus x is equal to 9. Here x value. Here I need here 9, means I will write 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here anything is there for writing. If I am taking 2, means 6 plus 2 will be 8. 1 means 6 plus 1 will be 7. Like that I need 18, means how much you should add? 12. Okay, 12 plus 6 will be 18. Okay. Example 6 and also example 7 also same. Here also they give number divide by 3, means just add and divide it. You will get the answer. And example 8. Check the divisibility of 15,287 by 3. Here also the sum how much they get? 23. But 23 is not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 3. You should write. And try this page number 12. Try these. Here check the divisibility of the following numbers by 3. Here also same number they are given. Just you have to take here first problem 108 here given. First one 108. Try these. 108. I said for divisibility 9. Either Tony should do 1 plus 0 plus 8. It will be 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes or no? Okay. And next second one 616, 294, fourth one 432, fifth one 927. Just you have to see if divisible by 3 means you should write yes, otherwise no means no, you should write. This one take the homework, means page number 11 and also page number 12. Try these problems, take the homework, write in homework book. If you have white notebook means you have to write in white notebook. If you have rule means you should write homework in rule book. But whatever I am giving in class, in notes means you should take in CW notebook. Whatever I am giving in that continue videos you have to see. Date wise you mention and write. Date wise you should write. Next exercise 1.2. I think these examples you all understood. Now exercise 1.2. In that first one, here they are given if 21 by 5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit. Here y should be a digit. Here they are given 4 digit number, but in that one digit they are not given. You should find the y value. What is the value of y? You have to find here y value. Take that. Suppose here exercise 1.2. First one. Suppose 21 by 5 is a multiple of 9 according to the divisibility rule. What is there according to the divisibility rule of 9? What is there? Sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits should be a multiple of 9. Okay, I said just add the number, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. How much? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 will be 8 plus y. Okay. Next, here this is possible when which value if you are taking means you will get divisible by 9. Write down, this is possible. This is possible when 8 plus y is any one of the number. Any one of the number. Which numbers? Here if I am taking 0, 9, here multiples of 9 you should write 18, 27, so on. Okay, next, since y is a single digit, I need single digit value, yes or no? Some can be 9 only. Here if you are dividing means it will get 9 only. You have to take the value of y should be, the value of y should be here 1 only. Why? Because 1, if I am considering here y value is 1, 8 plus 1 will be 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Write down, that is 8 plus y means 8 plus 1. It should be 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Okay, I think first problem you should understood. You have to just try for second also. Why? Because here multiple of 9 gave, but here you will find that there are 2 answers you will get. You have to do in homework, but you try. I will tell the next video class. Thank you. I think you all of you understood. Thank you.